How to reset Messenger PIN code. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can reset Messenger PIN code. For that, launch open the Messenger app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the settings option. On your settings, you want to scroll down and tap on the option Privacy and Safety. Select that. Now you will have the option End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Select that. Now select the option Message Storage. Now here you will find the option of Reset PIN. All you want to do is tap on that. Now you will simply have to create a new PIN over here. Make sure to make it memorable. After that, confirm it one more time by entering it again. Once you do that, your PIN will be successfully reset, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.